Hi, my name is Matt Brown. I live in Sharon Springs, Kansas, with my wife and my son, where I teach sixth, seventh, and eighth grade science. Um, this is my seventh year of teaching. In terms of goals that I have for this program, I still not 100% sure of what I want to end up doing after I'm done this May, which also looking forward to. Again, not 100% sure what I'm going to do with it after that just yet, but I am very interested in web-based design. I've always thought one day I could see myself teaching at the college level, or even taking what I get out of this program and going into administration next, and then putting it to use there. Again, it's very open-ended, but I know it can lead to a lot of different possible opportunities for my family and myself. Some strengths of mine. I'm very flexible and adaptable. I'm always willing to try new strategies in the classroom. Always willing to try new things, whatever it may be. Whether it's helping somebody out or whether it's just trying some new strategy that my boss wants me to try. I'm willing to try anything if it helps the kids. With that being said, a weakness of mine is that I tend to overwhelm myself and take a little bit too much on, more than I think I can handle, and I end up getting a little bit frustrated. But again, it's nothing you can't work through. Some interest. Well, I guess I've always been interested in online teaching, primarily because I think that's kind of my favorite type of learning. I like to do independent learning because I can learn at my pace, and I can adapt the material to the way I feel like I learn the best. And that way, like the traditional classroom, I'm not slowing down anybody, and vice versa. It's just my favorite way of learning personally. Again, I still don't know what the end goal of this program is, but I know it's just going to open a lot more doors for me. And I guess in terms of how to stay focused on task, I guess the only thing I need to do is just keep focusing on the big picture. What I want to do in the next 5-10 years. I mean, this is it right here is what I want to be doing. So it's easy for me to keep focus on the end goals. I know that every assignment I do takes me one step closer to achieving those goals. So that's kind of how I keep focused. Look forward to learning with you all, and we'll be talking to you soon.